House C+I, a compact yet serene home designed by Blank Studio in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Covering just 145 square meters, this house was built for two people who dreamed of a bright, white retreat filled with natural light. From the outside, it might look modest, a narrow and elongated form on a 10 by 34 meter plot, but what unfolds inside is a beautifully orchestrated balance between simplicity, privacy, and connection with nature. The west-facing front of the house meets the road, where the architects cleverly placed the parking area to make car access simple and efficient. Beyond that, the main living areas are positioned to the north, shielding them from the harsh Thai sunlight. On the western side, the staircase and restrooms act as thermal buffers, reducing heat gain and keeping the interiors pleasantly cool throughout the day. Every decision here follows a clear logic, design that responds to light, climate, and comfort. Perhaps the most poetic feature is the sequence of spaces leading to the entrance. Before stepping inside, residents walk past the parking area and a lush garden. This deliberate pathway slows you down, a moment of transition that delays entry or exit. It's not just circulation, it's an experience. At night, this same garden transforms into a casual gathering area where guests can sit along the edge of the rock garden, surrounded by soft lighting and the calming sound of water. One of the owner's biggest wishes was to live surrounded by greenery. He wanted to see trees from every corner of his home, to feel the presence of nature as part of daily life. To achieve this, the architects wove gardens and courtyards into multiple zones throughout the house. Glass sliding doors blur the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces, allowing natural breezes to pass through freely and making the home feel much larger than it really is. The home's design language is pure minimalism, clean white volumes infused with greenery. The material palette is simple and honest, masonry walls, tiled and terrazzo floors, and no wood at all. The owner preferred low-maintenance finishes and a clutter-free environment, perfectly aligning with the minimalist aesthetic. Yet, despite its simplicity, the house feels alive, thanks to the thoughtful inclusion of natural elements that soften its geometry. Three key features define this home's charm. First, the entry sequence with a waterfall wall that fills the air with the soothing sound of flowing water. Second, the cactus garden beneath a skylight atrium, casting dynamic shadows across the living room. And third, a tranquil courtyard planted with mango trees, visible from both the bedroom and the upper-level bathroom, a quiet reminder of nature's rhythm. House C+I is more than an architectural response, it's a collaboration between the architect's clarity and the owner's self-awareness. When clients know what they truly want, design becomes a dialogue, not just about form or function, but about identity and emotion. Here, that dialogue has materialized into a home that radiates calmness, simplicity, and life, a testament to what can happen when design and intention perfectly align.